The secret to a kitchen that feels more organized and inviting, it's not more storage, it's pattern play. This isn't about matching your tea towels. It's about using pattern to boost your appetite and make your kitchen feel custom. Today, we're diving into how patterns in your kitchen can energize, organize, and even appetize. Because yes, design psychology does say your backsplash can increase your appetite. I'm Ash, and this is Pattern Theory, and we're decoding the strategy of mixing patterns room by room. The kitchen, command central. The kitchen isn't just where cooking happens, it's where life happens. It's your 6 a.m. coffee station, your kid's homework hub, or your late night therapy session with a tub of ice cream. Hey, no judgment. It's the room where you unload your groceries, pack lunches, send emails, and wrangle conversations. In other words, it's the room that's doing the most. And because of that, the kitchen is one of the rooms in your house that needs to balance both function and efficiency. It needs to be visually calm enough for you to focus, but stimulating enough to feel alive. Clean, but not clinical. Styled, but not staged. And this is where pattern comes in, not just as decoration, but actually as a functional design tool. It can guide eyes through the space, helps reinforce zones, and even communicate how things are used without a single label. Although I do love labels, much love to the label machine. Think of it as like a visual choreography. When patterns are placed intentionally on a backsplash, a bench seat, a window treatment, they subtly direct your attention. They support organization and help everything feel cohesive, even if you're in mid-meal prep chaos. How do you use pattern to help the flow of the kitchen while still letting your personality shine through in the design? Kitchens thrive on zones. There's a cooking zone, a prep zone, a cleaning zone, an eating zone, a homework zone. You get the picture. And whether your kitchen is the size of a ballroom or barely big enough to swing a tea towel, how you define these zones can really make or break the flow. And here's the good news. You don't need a renovation, you just need pattern. Patterns are a subtle visual way to map out what's happening in your space. They help people intuitively know what's going on and create a rhythm around your room. Take this example. A bold geometric tile behind your stovetop instantly anchors the cook zone. Now shift to the breakfast nook. A soft micro pattern wallpaper or something leafy and tonal. Even something as simple as a patterned floor tile under an island or a striped runner in front of the sink can break up the space just enough to make it feel organized, even if you're working with a galley kitchen that moonlights as a hallway. And here's the kicker. Patterns do all the work without taking up any extra space. That means even in the tiniest kitchen, you can use patterns to make your space function better. So before you reach for another storage container, maybe think to yourself, could a little pattern help increase the efficiency of my kitchen? What if a clever print or a purposeful pattern could do the organizing for you? Spoiler, it can, and we're just getting started. Let's be honest, most of us don't want to just organize our kitchen, we also want to make sure it's beautiful. Want it to help support our routines, and maybe even spark a little joy in our day. And that's where pattern comes in. It steps up, not only as decoration, but also habit reinforcement. In design psychology, this is called environmental priming, where your environment gently nudges you in the direction of the habits that you want to have. And when those cues come in the form of a chic coffee station or a checkered board floor, you've got a habit system that's as aesthetically pleasing as it is functional. Patterns do more than decorate. They choreograph your daily routine. A graphic mat by the sink signals cleanup time. A patterned tray transforms into a coffee altar. And a playful shelf liner nudges you towards healthier snacks. When your space is styled with intention, your habits follow. Beautiful patterns make habits stick. Because let's face it, we're more likely to engage with things that look beautiful. Layering prints and tone-on-tone textures acts as a subtle sensory anchor, reinforcing habits without you even realizing it. That is the power of thoughtful design. Now let's peel back the next layer of pattern psychology. We've talked about shape and placement. Now let's talk about color psychology, because a pattern isn't just what it looks like, it's also how it feels. Color affects your emotions, your energy level, and also your appetite. And when you mix color with pattern, you're not just decorating, you are engineering a vibe. Warm tones, appetite, and energy boosters. Red, orange, and yellow are naturally stimulating. They increase appetite, raise energy, and just give your space an overall vibe. That's why restaurants use them, and why your grandma's red gingham tablecloth still makes you crave apple pie. Use patterns like red check tiles in a dining nook or lemon curtains above the sink. These colors say, come in, eat, and stay a while. Cool tones, calm, clean, and focused. Blue, greens, and soft grays are calming and refreshing. They evoke cleanliness, freshness, and composure. They're perfect for sink zones, fridge surrounds, or prep areas where focused is key. Try patterns like a green leafy wallpaper or a soft blue geometric tile backsplash. Cool tones are going to bring clarity to the chaos. They tell your nervous system, it's okay, you got this. Neutrals and black and white, structure, sophistication, and timeliness. These patterns are your power players. They bring contrast, structure, and that crisp, clean designer feel. Think houndstooth or herringbone tile. Black and white mosaic floors. These tones say, this kitchen is handled. They're especially good for anchoring busy, bold areas, keeping everything grounded even when the dishwasher's full of dirty dishes. Pro tip, color and pattern equal emotional design. Don't just pick a color. Ask yourself, how do I want this zone to feel? Energized? Go for warm, high contrast prints. Calm and composed? Cool tones with gentle patterns. Organized and in control? Neutrals with crisp geometric lines. Because the best kitchens don't just work, they actually support your mood. Let's turn all of this pattern theory into some gorgeous real-world examples. These are low lift, high impact styles. Pattern backsplash, the style hero. A backsplash is your chance to go bold without going overboard. It's contained, it's focused, and it's a natural focal point. Geometric tiles inject energy and structure. Great behind the cooktop or a prep zone. Organic or botanical motifs bring in a softness and calm, perfect for spaces near natural light or open shelves. Want timelessness? A herringbone or chevron layout gives a subtle pattern with a designer edge. Think of this as your kitchen's personality piece, the earrings to your cabinets. Pattern drawer liners, a hidden delight. No one sees them until they do. And then instant design crush. Add subtle stripes or soft florals to utensil drawers. Use playful prints in the junk drawer, because if it's going to be chaotic, at least it can be cute. Choose wipeable liners for practicality and swap them seasonally if you're feeling fancy. It's the design equivalent of wearing nice underwear under sweats. It's just for you, but it's still fabulous. Curtains and Roman blinds, the soft edge. Kitchens are full of hard surfaces, so bring in something soft and airy to balance it all out. Vertical stripes elongate windows to make ceilings feel taller. Florals feel classic and cozy, perfect for the country, cottage, or eclectic styles. Block printed or abstract designs add a modern, artsy touch without overwhelming. Hot tip, choose a fabric that ties into your backsplash for that full cohesive feel. Rugs and mats ground the chaos. Kitchens get heavy foot traffic, but it doesn't mean that your flooring has to be boring. Try a washable runner, something that repeats a motif already in your kitchen. Rugs create instant rooms within rooms, especially in open plan spaces. Choose patterns that disguise spills because life happens, but it still make it feel intentional. Pattern dishware and open display. Curated chaos. If you're going to show off your dishes, make sure that they work together. Stick to a color family and then mix patterns like stripes or florals or speckled gazes for an intentional collected look. And make sure you use repetition. 3 of the same bowl, 3 of the same plate, or a stacked plate with a consistent rim pattern. Think open shelf chic, not thrift store explosion. So there you have it. From backsplash to drawer liner, from psychology to pure style. We've decoded how pattern can transform your kitchen into a space that's just as functional as it is fabulous. And remember, patterns aren't just for decoration. They're also design tools. They guide, they ground, and elevate how we live in our homes. If you love this, get ready, because the next episode of Pattern Theory is all about the living room. We'll unpack how to use pattern to balance comfort and style, where to clash with confidence, and the psychology of a couch that calls your name at the end of a long day. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let me know in the comments. What's one pattern that you would love to try in your kitchen? Remember, love your space, fill it with joy, and make it yours. I'll see you in the next one.